Good morning, everyone. Hope you're feeling fine. Can you see this dry hammer time? It's a time that everyone loves. Hammer time brings goodies. When you enter inside the bush, you will notice that the bush like this hammer time because every leaf you will see them coming down, getting ready to fresh one. I know a lot of people are getting ready for fresh things. A lot of people will get ready to fresh things, baby. A lot of people, the enjoyment, they will enjoy their wife and they will, enjoy their wife. Don't go out and enjoy your girlfriend and leave your wife at home. Your wife need your bola. That is the truth. Your husband need your bola. Don't go outside and be drunk there and enjoy people outside. When you come home, you will be a bulldog. Enjoy your life at home. Discuss with your family. Laugh with your family. Don't engage so much with outsiders and leave your family. Your family needs you. They need you a lot. Don't leave your personal family and go and be sleeping with your extended family, especially the men. Don't leave your wife to be the family cook. After she has finished cooking in the nights, she will not be able to service you. This Harmattan season is very good for enjoyment. So you need your wife. Your wife need you. The work should not be too much. Don't overstress yourself. And again, please remember to check yourself. Remember to check your BP. Remember to check your sugar. When you are drinking, check your sugar. When you overdrink, when you come back in the nights, make sure you take things that will remove sugar from your body. Nothing where they buy people like sugar. When sugar is there, BP is there. Most times, it's little people that don't have BP because there are a lot of stress already. Check yourself. Are you okay? If you have any symptom of malaria, especially if you are coming from outside the country, please go to the hospital. Don't buy. We will not like to do any burial this time. We like just people to enjoy themselves. So that by the time you go back, next year, you will return back. All these things is coming from me and all my fans. Happy celebration.